Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're tired of receiving constant notification sheets on your Android device, this video is exactly for you. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to completely turn them off using the official Google Sheets app. Let's get started right away. First, open the Sheets app on your Android device. Tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Now, tap on Notification Settings. This section controls how and when the app notifies you. You will see various types of notifications. Toggle off the switches to disable any notifications you no longer want to receive. Once you've turned them off, you can exit the app. The changes will take effect immediately. Thanks for watching. Disabling notifications can help you stay focused and avoid distractions. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech guides.